Okay, this morning we're taking this boat out and going. Where are we going on that boat, Millie?
It's called St. Croix Island.
St. Croix Island. St. Croix Island. Okay. Penguins and what else?
Well, penguins are
Seals, dolphins and things.
Rehabilitation. So welcome folks. Very good news. Those that don't know, we're going to be releasing some endangered turtles. And then we expect it to be back around about 11 o'clock. Happy with that? Okay. Alright, let's board. So they end up with plastic in them. They think these clear cellophane.
That's right. They think that they're
jellyfish. And they eat it and it blocks them up and they swell up with gas and they're unable to dive and feed themselves. Deal with it in China. We don't have enough electricity to make it here. So we import it.
guys got little blankets on you to keep you wet. So huge.
We had one tent with maybe like this.
Oh, wow.
Good job. So let's just say they want to stick around for a couple of days and just acclimatize, get used to the rhythm. This was a seal colony before. You couldn't see the rocks for the amount of seals that there would be on this island. And one man got the lease of the island and he harvested all the seals for their pelts. There's still a lot of seals in this bay, but they won't set foot on this island, even although it's generated to other marine birds and gives them a safe place to roost. So here we can see the white-breasted cormorant on the top of it to the right. There, right on the top is an oyster catcher. Went to the dry part of Adder. Now you're in the wet side of Adder, so it's a massive game reserve. And this is the that stands a chance in the wild. Then we're gonna go get another one. Huh.
Struggling to swim, he's jumping in to help it out.
If it's struggling to swim, then we will have to go and get it. It's a little bit sleepy. So what we're going to do is we're going to support from underneath. We're going to support him putting up like that. We're going to hold him really nicely. Let's go on our knees. Yeah, we don't have to. We won't bite. I've got you, see, green, lean right down.
Yeah.
He wants to come back, likes the boat. You're free. You got that one, Jerry?
Yeah.
Okay, he's coming off port bow. There we go. That's beautiful. So you can see he's not floating right on the surface. Here we go. He's ready, I think.
Ready? Ready to fly? Ready to fly here. There you go. Alright, in another direction.
Perfect. Right on down.
Yeah.
You don't, you won't drop.
go. Oh.
Jeepers, these are releasing so well.
Well, sometimes they get a little bit, they get
Sometimes they-
anxiety or they panic or whatever.
They stay on the surface, they won't go down.
A little. Bye bye. Go make lots of turtle babies. Grow big and strong.
Oh, there he goes. Oh, he went right down. Well, no.
He's not keen to get too close to the boat. Sailor's air bubbles is usually like half the shell will actually be buoyant. Because folks are taking too much of their food out of the water to basically feed to chickens so we can have omega oils in our eggs. Another one. So these are new. We haven't seen the sacred ibis before. It's only the last couple of years that we've been seeing them in any numbers on the islands. Go back to being burrowing birds to lay their eggs.
And all these birds get along.
When the penguins are here, they won't get along with them anymore. They'll chase them off. Chicken is a jippo.
Oh, I see the nest way up there. I do see, if you look way at the top, you can do a nest.
That's right. Yeah. It's what right now.
I guess you should get on the other side. Though. Lighting at home, lighting in the cities, and our machines, everything ran on whale blubber, real bio oil. And the idea was that they would collect the whale, harpoon it, bring it into this little gully, this nuka, yeah? And then set about removing the blubber from the carcass, taking the baleen plates out to make umbrellas, and steel structure that's in the umbrellas used to be made out of whale baleen plates. The poofy dresses, the Horses.
very first European to ever make his way down the South African coast was Dias. He was a Portuguese guy, and before him, nobody from Europe had ever made their way past the Congo. The boats would go missing. So in 1488 he landed here and he erected that cross. And gave thanks that they'd made it so far down the African coast, and he wanted to push on to India, and his men were talking mutiny. They wanted to throw Dias overboard and go back to Portugal to their wine and their women. And Dias held council with the men, and he saw that he has to go back because he won't have a crew or he won't have his life. He turned back and he charted the rest of the African continent that he had missed on the way down because of a big storm. He missed out on a big chunk. He didn't see Cape Town on the way down. Caught in the storm, they got pushed off the continent. But he got it on the way back. You know, marketing is everything. And yeah, he was upset that the guys didn't make it to India. So he wanted to directly to the spices and the trade silk. They
sell down everything.
What is that house?
Rocks, the bird poop, and they would say that they're going to go work overseas. They come here and scrape the rocks. There were up to 300 ships waiting to load bird poop along our coast. This cave that we see here, you can see it's folded over. Check at this, guys. You see the cave that's folded over? This is actually, this rock is actually the part of the Cape Fold Belt. So the same rocks formed at the same time as Table Mountain in Cape Town. This is the same range. You can clearly see the fold, why it's called the Cape Fold Belt.
Where are your houses?
Those were built by
That's a shark.
They are critically endangered all over the world.
No, no,
This is a great watch.
Yep, there we go. Got it. Got it.
He's struggling a little bit because this has already been eaten. So there's a lot of bone that's holding things on. So he's trying to get a nice bite, but it's a lot of bone.
No, it's just dark better. He's the garbage guy.
It's focus.
Mm-hmm. I think so. Right now I've got the fins. Here we go. Up. Coming up. There it goes.
That's cool.
So yeah, as long as he keeps on with good time.
Hip hip hooray.
Jamie will be happy